In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete contacts on Telegram quickly and safely. This works on Telegram web and the desktop app, and it's perfect if you want to remove old chats or completely delete a contact from your Telegram account. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Telegram tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Telegram and make sure you're logged into your account. This can be on Telegram web or the desktop app. Once you're inside Telegram, look at your chat list and find the contact you want to delete. Click on that contact to open the chat. Next, look at the top right corner of the chat window and click on the three dots. This will open a menu with more options. From this menu, click on Delete Chat. Telegram will now show you a confirmation pop-up. Here, make sure you select the option that says Delete for me and the contact. This is important if you want the chat to be removed completely and not just from your side. Finally, click Delete to confirm. And that's it. The contact and chat have now been deleted from Telegram. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step guides like this. Thanks for watching.